there.
Hey there.
Hey there.
Hey there.
Congratulations on your admission to Carleton.
This is a huge accomplishment, and we couldn't be more excited to welcome you to Northfield and the Carleton community.
When you arrive on campus, you'll meet students from all 50 states and more than 50 countries.
And you'll learn from an amazing group of professors who are consistently ranked the best in the nation.
With our small class sizes, you will have the opportunity to get to know each other on a personal level.
A liberal arts education allows you to explore all the classes that interest you before you declare a major, which happens in the spring of your sophomore year at Carleton.
Thanks to our trimester system, you'll be able to focus more on those individual courses and enjoy a 6-week winter break.
Our schedule makes adventure beyond campus much more accessible, like externships and off-campus studies.
At Carleton, you don't have to compete with graduate students to get valuable research experience. More than 75% of Carls engage in research during their undergrad, and not just in the sciences.
Here you can conduct research alongside your professors both on and off campus, and in nearly every academic field.
Carleton will help you chart your own course.
Whether it's landing an international fellowship, an internship, or planning for grad school or your first job.
But you've got a lot of time to enjoy our amazing campus first.
Our location offers the best of both worlds.
Northfield is a vibrant, progressive town with a tight-knit community.
And if you're looking for big city excitement, like concerts and museums,
or internships at Fortune 500 companies, Minneapolis and St. Paul are only 45 minutes away.
Honestly, in any season, Carleton is a great place to be a college student.
Fall means bonfires, apple picking, and catching the northern lights with friends.
Winter, that's for cross-country skiing and ice skating on the bald spot, or getting cozy in our campus cookie house.
And when spring rolls around, the Frisbees come out. You've heard about our D1 Ultimate Frisbee teams, right?
We can't wait to see what you bring to the Carleton community.
And how you'll go on to impact the world.
Once a Carl, always a Carl.
Congratulations.